Okay, we are back for another rant. This is before I started making the red dress. When I made the gray BodyCon, I noticed that, well, if you saw the video, I sewed one of the belt loops into the side and one of the large pockets into the side, and it was extremely short. I thought I was making it like down to the knee, but it was like cut to the hips, to the crotch. So I took that Vogue 7239, I believe it is, that pattern, and I put it up against my pattern. Now, I did not use that Vogue pattern to make that pattern. I cannot find that pattern. I have it somewhere, I just don't know where it is. So I use that Vogue pattern as a reference to gauge what I'm trying to say, to gauge how to enlarge it. I have a grading manual, but I didn't want to go through all that. I needed to get something made. As I had said before, I had been procrastinating and hem-hawing around, and so I wanted to get something done quick. So I use that pattern as a reference, like I said, a reference to use as a guide to enlarge that pattern. You saw my fingers just now. That pattern, that Vogue pattern is a size 14, 16, and 18. My dress is a size 8. So I had to make some adjustments. And if you saw the video on my YouTube channel or my TikTok channel or my Instagram channel or my LinkedIn channel, you'll see that I have it on my dress form and it fits perfectly. So anyway, I used that, like I said, that pattern right there that I made the gray dress with to make it larger and longer. And I found out that, like I said, it was way too short. I mean, it would have been like a Hoochie Mama ratchet dress. So I had to add some length onto it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm adding length to the dress, and I'm also adding some. I'm trying to remember how I made the width, because it needs to be graded. I just can't slap on some yardage and say it's graded. There's an actual process. But I think I'm gonna see. I have a video after this one. I've got a couple of videos after this. This is, like I said, this is the whole process I'm using to make these clothes. So I'm going to see what I did to get this dress, the red dress, larger. And I'm also using the same pattern for the white jersey BodyCon that I'm making now. Same length as the red one, just in a white color. So yeah, I'm going through all the motions there. So again, I want you guys to see what I'm doing to get my end product. And if I was in a studio, it'd probably be all by machine and everything would be perfect. But this is me here. I know what I'm doing, or at least I think I do. And I'm making this without all the nitpicking. I had mentioned to you guys earlier as well. A couple of my instructors told me that I try to be too perfect. So, because I'll sit there and I will nitpick over something until the cows come home. So, like I said, I'm just getting it done. Yeah, and I stop and I hem-haw and I think, because I'm working on my, I guess, my confidence or my ability to get things done. And again, I'm jumping back into the process, as I said before as well. So we're coming up on the end here in about a minute or so, I think. There's no clock. This is a voiceover. And in the end, you will see me slap this bad boy on some red fabric. I love it. I love it. Yes, the cheesy beat is mine. I have more beats. I have 17 of them. I don't like them because I don't know how to make music. But again, all the sources out there that claim that their beats are copyright free usually aren't. I've gotten 2 notices so far, so I started making my own. The Akai MPC Beats app is free. If you want it, I can put it up and you guys can go and get it yourself. You can make your own beats. And just be as cheesy as you want to be. So please like, give a thumbs up, subscribe, forward, share. I appreciate anything. Thank you so much for watching. I really want you guys to buy my clothes, is what I want. So I will see you in the next video.